Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy Vlogmas Day 18. Y'all got it right this time because my mama told me before I started recording. Alright y'all. Y'all already know what we came to do, okay? No procrastinating today. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get straight into it. What I'm going to turn into, y'all, I don't know. But we already know I'm about to be burping, okay? So if y'all if y'all have came to see your girl burp, you have came to the right video, okay? Because I'm definitely going to be burping in this video, and I know I am because I have already been burping off camera. So that tells me that I'm having a terrible acid reflux day. All right? And y'all know I did fix chili, so keep that in mind. That'll have you burping too. Alright, y'all, we have the original Sprite today. Alright, and it is not expired. It expires it expires, let me see, y'all. It expires in January 2025. So it ain't expired, but it almost is. Okay, so we're going down her right now today. Y'all see that fizz? Y'all hear that? Fresh soda, okay? Alright. Woo. Are y'all ready? Now, the challenge is to drink it without burping. To complete the whole bottle, y'all. I did do the soda, y'all. But y'all remember I did ginger ale because I couldn't find Sprite. So this right here is literally my official Sprite challenge. Alright, y'all. And also, y'all, shout out to the hair growth, okay? Real quick. I know this is not a hair video, y'all, but shout out to the hair growth, y'all. Look at that. Your girl got a ponytail. And do y'all see that puff? Yes. Okay? Y'all, we have been doing it. We have been doing it. Alright, y'all. I told y'all no... I can't even get it out. I'm so scared. I told y'all no procrastination. We doing it today. We going on and we making it happen, okay? Yeah, let me get myself together first because I have to prepare myself because I've never even drunk a complete bottle of soda without stopping. So this right here would be my first time. And I know I'm going to stop, y'all, but I'm going to try not to burp, okay? How do you prepare yourself to not burp? I don't think that you can. I don't think it's possible to even prepare yourself to not burp. Y'all have some food on the stove, so if y'all hear my fan in the back, that's why. Mom, yeah, can you turn down the potatoes a little bit?
I'm coming to check it anyway.
Okay. Alright, y'all. We're about to get it started, okay? Y'all, I really need to wait till my mom walk up out of here, y'all, because when I tell you, y'all, when I get to burping around her, she be wilding out. Alright, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Cheers. Let's hit the Sprite challenge. Alright, y'all. I may not do no talking in this video. Just enjoy the content. Because I gotta try not to burp. Y'all, I feel it coming. Oh my gosh, hold it down, girl. You can do this. Comment down below your prediction. If y'all think I'm gonna finish it or not. Y'all, my gosh, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, y'all. I burped so hard till my glasses shifted. I burped my glasses cricket. Oh my goodness. Woo! Y'all, I did make it halfway. Like, can y'all see how far I made it? I made it to literally right. Let me try to pull up the paper so y'all can see. Look, do y'all see how far I made it? Like, literally. Y'all know I'm coming to get my lick back. Y'all already know that. Okay? So, don't be disappointed. Because I'm definitely coming to get my lick back. But, y'all, I think I want to try. I know it don't count. Because I already burped. So, I guess I would say I drunk about a can size. But is that bad? No. But, yeah, I'm going to try to drink the rest of this and not burp, okay? I cannot believe that I already burped. Oh, my goodness. Y'all cannot believe that. I was doing so good. Maybe I shouldn't have been talking. Has anybody completed the challenge? If y'all know any YouTubers that completed the challenge, comment down below. Because I'm telling y'all, this is hard to do, y'all. Especially because I'm so burpy. Oh, yeah, I got another burp. I feel it. Woo! Oh my gosh. Mom, you still... Are you still with me?
Yes, I am.
Oh my goodness, y'all.
And the humpback whales, they answering back.
No, humpback whales is talking back.
Yes, they are. You just can't hear, but they heard you.
Y'all, she loves talking trash. She's talking about the humpback whales is talking back. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I'm trying to figure out if I have any more up in me first because I'm not going to be able to finish it in that burp. Alright, y'all. Let me tag me back in. Let's do it, girl. You can do this. High five, y'all. Because we're going to do this. Tag me in. Alright. Count me in, y'all. 3, 2, 1. Y'all, that's it. I tried. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do it. Y'all, I tried. Woo! I was like, let me do it. Let me try to finish this in that burp. Y'all, your girl can't do it. Woo! My goodness. Oh my gosh. Comment down below. Y'all, comment down below your thoughts, okay, on how I did. And y'all let me know if y'all want me to start a little series for y'all on me doing different sodas, I guess, of y'all choice, or different drinks, y'all, because see, it don't even have to be sodas. I can literally, sometimes I burp off juice, water, air, rain. Y'all, sometimes I just burp just off of inhaling too much air. But y'all let me know if y'all want me to start a drink challenge, y'all. And comment down below any other sodas that y'all want me to try without burping. If y'all are liking me burping. I don't know if y'all are enjoying me burping or not, y'all, but respectfully, y'all, this is my everyday life. So if y'all, Mom, she's talking about yes it is. So if y'all just want me to bring more burping content, because I am a natural burpy individual with acid reflux, okay, in my everyday life. In your everyday life, what? Y'all, she back there whispering. Y'all need to hear her. See, this is the problem. Y'all probably think I be lying when I say my mom be talking trash. She really be talking trash, though, y'all, in the background. But she just be whispering so that y'all don't hear her. But I promise y'all, she back there saying stuff. Speak up so that people can hear you. Y'all think I got burp again. I feel like it's stuck. Woo. Ugh. Oh. Excuse me. Woo, y'all. And then that's another thing, y'all. Like, I can burp myself. Y'all know how to burp myself too. These are all problems, okay, y'all? But it's a part of me. It's a part of my life, okay? So, no more rambling. If y'all want to see me bring y'all more, I know it ain't burpy content, but burping content, y'all let me know, okay? I'm gonna close out this video because I'm gonna finish this, okay? I'm not letting nothing defeat me, and I'm coming back to get my lip back for sure. All right, y'all. I'm taking this last little bit, okay? And then I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Alright, y'all. Woo. Woo. Oh, y'all, that brought the tears out my ass. Alright, y'all. Wow. Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in the next Vlogmas. Bye.